Hi everyone, I'm Justin, as you all know. Today I'll be learning how to juggle, and I'll be demonstrating this to you in the video. So, the things we need you can use 2 handkerchiefs to start off with because that makes it easier, and then you need two balls, or you can do 3 if you want, it's up to you. I'll only be doing 2 balls today because a 3-minute video isn't enough time to learn how to do 3. The reason you use handkerchiefs and not balls to start off with is because they're made of fabric and therefore they're lighter in weight, and because they move slower in the air, your hand-eye coordination will be maximised, because therefore you'll be able to juggle balls a lot easier. The method that I'm using is a social situational method, which was developed by Albert Bandura, and this is how I learn best because I like to be shown examples of how to do things. Now the handkerchiefs might be a bit light in weight to be able to juggle outside, so I'm going to tie them up in knots so they'll be a bit heavier. So, yes. Feet, shoulders width apart, and your arms at a 90-degree angle facing away from you. And another thing you have to do is you've got to try and keep the things you're juggling level with your eyes, because that makes it a lot easier to catch. And that is how you juggle handkerchiefs. Alright, so now I'll try juggling with heavier objects. I have 2 tennis balls here. The way I was taught to juggle is you start with your dominant hand and you start with 1 ball. So I'm left-handed, so I'm going to start with my left hand, and you have to just throw the ball into the other hand, just like this. It's easy enough. Now the next step is to do it with your eyes closed. So that's a little bit harder, but this will stimulate your eye coordination with the ball. So let's try and do this. And after you've completed these 2 steps, you can then move on to a second ball, which is a lot more challenging. 2 balls here. So now I will try and attempt to juggle 2 balls. So here we go. As you can see, juggling is a very difficult skill to be able to complete. The most difficult parts for me were being able to catch and throw the ball in a continuous motion. But it was still a very enjoyable skill to learn, and I recommend everybody should at least try it once in their lives.